What's up, guys? Today's Friday. Friday the September 8th, I believe. Could be the 7th, but I think it's the 8th. On my way to work. Hopefully it's going to be an easy day at work. Fridays are always nice. I work in IT, so a lot of people don't want to make too many changes on a Friday in IT because we're going into the weekend and a lot of technical support is not available through the weekend, so sometimes it's better to wait till the next week or beginning of the week before making changes, which is always good. So usually Fridays are a little lighter, less concern, less to worry about. Hope you guys are having a good week after Labor Day. Maybe some of you are still at the beach. I don't know. I've been working all week. Weather's nice though. The rain has held off this week so far. Had a few chances to ride. Hurricane, or actually Tropical Storm Florence, is out in the Atlantic headed our way. Hopefully that'll be a brush by and continue on up the east coast and not hit anybody. My brother actually lives at the beach, so but he's a surfer, so hurricane's coming, he's thinking, oh, good waves. You were asking about my Dash. This is a KLR Dash from KLRDash.com. It is the Rally kit. I think it's called Rally Kit 2.0. And that is the upper dash, which is this piece here, combined with the risers, which are these. It raises your windscreen up and angles it at an increased angle, a rally style angle, keep the wind off of you. It does not come with the windscreen. The windscreen is a zero gravity double bubble, that's what it's called. There's a couple different windscreens you can make fit with these risers. I think you can cut your stock and make it fit, or you can buy one of the zero gravities. A couple different scenarios here. I like the zero gravity. I like the double bubble. Because it's taller than stock, so it helps block the wind, but it's shorter than one of the other zero gravity windscreens that is tall enough to kind of get in your way when you're off-road. When you stand up off-road, hit some whoopsies, whoops, whatever they call them, Sometimes the front end of the bike comes up near your face, and you don't want a real tall windshield when you're off-road, because you don't want to get smacked in the face with your windscreen. So the zero gravity double bubble fits on the KLR Dash Rally 2.0 risers, and then a separate purchase is this lower dash, the KLR lower dash. And I have an older style one. Mine has the two switches here, and it has the voltage meter, and it has one 12-volt outlet. Now I probably could buy another 12-volt outlet and put it in where the voltage meter is. I could probably even move the voltage meter up somewhere if I wanted to cut another hole. I'm okay with one 12-volt outlet. I rarely even use it, just with short commutes. It's nice to have, especially if you're going on a longer trip. So I like having it, and I love having the auxiliary switches there for my LEDs. But you can't really see this during the day, but you might be able to see that. That's my voltage output. But yeah, that's the KLR Dash. I love it. It's not cheap. It's kind of a expensive farkle, but it is useful, and I think it looks great on the bike. So I want to say, don't quote me on these prices, but I want to say the Rally kit, which comes with the risers for the windscreen and the upper dash, I think that is 130 bucks. The zero gravity double bubble, I think it's 100 bucks, and the lower dash is 100 bucks. So you're looking at about 330 for everything I have, and that's current now in 2018. So who knows what it's going to be later. Yep, a little expensive, but I enjoy it. And I know some of you guys, Truckman on Fire, I think he said he made his own. And if you're handy with metalwork, I'm sure you could. If you know how to cut aluminum plating or any of that, that's basically what it is. So cut it, drill it. Actually, I'm not even sure. I don't know if this is aluminum or this might be steel. I don't know. Go to klr-dash.com and check it out. Risers are adjustable, so there's 3 settings on each side, 1, 2, 3, so you can set your angle the way you want. I've got it right in the middle right now, and I like it at that angle. It seems to throw the wind up high enough to mostly be over me, and then it's still not straight up and down, but I like it at the middle setting. check it out and have fun, and I'll catch you later.